Hey, what's up guys? Cedric Cnote Buard with Dream Media LLC, head Media Maniac, and I am super excited to be back with you guys creating great valuable content for you guys. And today I'm super excited because we get to learn how to quickly and easily master in Studio One. You ready? I know I am. Roll 'em! Hey guys, Cedric Cnote Buard again, and today we are going to learn about mastering in Studio One, how to quickly and easily edit in Studio One. It is a fantastic mastering tool. For those of you who don't know how to use it, I'm going to give you some tips and some really quick tricks to basically guide you guys through it. Okay, ready? So let's get started. Alright, so we have a instance of Studio One here open, and it's basically a project. So if you go here to new, actually it'll be new project, and let's see here, I think I have something underneath here that I need to get. So we got that. Okay, so it's we would be creating a new project. Once you did that, then the new project box would open here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you could enter your project title and the location that you want to store the files for that project, as well as the sample rate. And you can also import tracks from a DDP image if you like. I've already done that on here, and I have imported all of my files. But if you wanted to import files, you basically go into this area here to the upper left hand corner, right click and import file, select your location and pop it in there. So this will allow you to order your CD tracks as you like. As you can see here, I can move these around, and it moves in my timeline as well. So if I want to put that there, it's going there. If I want to put that back there, it follows the timeline. The timeline follows your track listing. So very easy to work. Normally what I do is I import all of my tracks. I'll listen to the beginning and the ends of them to see, make sure which the track order, then I'll kind of fade the ends of these here as I'm going into the next track, just so we don't have any extraneous noise or anything. And it's actually really wonderful. You can go into each one of these tracks, and then you have options to add effects here. There's presets as well, which is the presets that come right out of the box are amazing. PreSonus really got that correct. And you have multiple presets here. You have mastering, you have a folder for mastering here, analyzing, boosting the beat, etc., etc. You can just go into depth there, or you can just put in your own plugins that you enjoy the most. So and you can do that for each one of the tracks, as well as add effects to the master, which is the master which will affect every track in the project. You can go here and you can name your tracks whatever you want them to be, and they will when you export the digital release, that will be the name that will be placed in the metadata, as well as the name. And then so when you have everything sounding the way that you want it, and let's just kind of look at it and listen to it. If I played this, it would show us the master volume here. There's a polarity analyzation tool there, as well as your bands of EQ. So that when you're mastering that, you can kind of keep an eye on what bands need to be reduced or boosted, which is wonderful. I mean, it's a great mastering tool, like I say. Then once you have everything sounding like you want it, in the order that you want, then you basically come up here to project. You can either burn an audio CD of it, and it will burn a 44.1 16-bit CD, or what I normally do is just do a digital release here. And so when you do the digital release, then a box comes up. See if we can get that on here. I don't know if you can see that box, but there's a digital release box. It allows you to select which tracks that you want in the release, the location, the format, whether it be WAV or MP3. Believe there's other file formats: FLAC, OGG, CAF, M4A. The resolution, the sample rate. You can select the range of events, or use markers. There's other options like add track numbers to the file name in the metadata, add artists to the file name in the metadata, or use real-time processing, as well as publishing that you can do right inside of Studio One. You can upload right to Persona Sphere, or you can upload to SoundCloud. And a really cool thing about that, when you do a digital release, it also bounces a playlist file that keeps your tracks in order. And so if you open up this release in an MP3 player, say for instance on your app, then all of the tracks will be in order because of that playlist file, which is really, really cool. And so that's basically it. You can play around with it. There's some many functions that you can play around with. The presets, you can play around with those and play around with just some different sounds there. But that's basically it in a nutshell, mastering in Studio One. And so hopefully you guys have got some value out of this video. I know I do. I enjoy working in Studio One, whether it be recording, mixing, or mastering. And so if you did get some value out of the video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well, to be notified of fresh new content that we always will have and keep coming. Until next time, Media Maniacs, this has been Cedric Cnote Buard of Dream Media LLC, head Media Maniac. Keep creating and having fun.